Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are back with another exciting tutorial, which is a comparison between DataDog, Prometheus and Grafana and which one you should choose. Think about your production application just went down and alerts are firing, users are tweeting, you have zero visibility on what went wrong, right? So you have like 500 errors, your SLA is breached, you have zero visibility, the industry, is going crazy, right? And as per the industry standards, like average mean time to detect a production incident takes like around 200 minutes. It's like over 3 hours where the application has been silently failing. So observability isn't optional, it's survival, right? This is where today we are cutting through the noise, Datadog, Prometheus or Grafana, what they actually are, when they should be used and which one belongs in your stack. So let's go fast. So here are the most people get wrong, right? These aren't really competing tools. Datadog, for example, is like a fully managed all-in-one SaaS platform. One agent, one bill, and you have metrics, logs, traces, APM, security, everything. If you think about Prometheus, it's an open source metrics engine. It scraps your service, stores time-based series, fire alerts. Grafana is a visualization layer. It doesn't collect metrics. It displays them beautifully from any source. So the real question is in which one to pick. It's a combination makes sense for you, right? Which combination makes sense for you? Datadog is like a Swiss Army knife of observability. It takes like 15 minutes for setting up, like from zero to full visibility. Install one agent, you're done. It covers everything like metrics, logs, distributed traces, APM, real user monitoring, synthetic testing, security. You have like 600 integration plug into your Kubernetes cluster, your AWS account, your Postgres instance. It just works. AI-powered watchdog automatically detects anomalies and surfaces root causes because before you even get paged, right? So you have AI capabilities with Datadog. The catch, it's the cost. Like it's like around $50 to $23 per host per month, or like a 100 node Kubernetes cluster runs you like $5 to $10,000 a month. So that's a bill which can scales fast. It's quite expensive. Bets for the team that need full stack visibility and fast, and they have an enterprise budget to match, right? Prometheus is the backbone of cloud native monitoring, born at SoundCloud and donates to the CNCF, and now it's like a default metric standards in Kubernetes, completely free. How it works? Prometheus pulls or scraps like slash metrics endpoints on your services every 15 seconds. It's like a pull method, not a push method, right? And you can query the data using PromQL. It's a powerful, but yes, it has a learning curve. I have a full video on Prometheus. You can have a look on that in my channel, so you can get to know the complete Prometheus knowledge on setting up alert manager, GraphQL, PromQL queries, everything. Okay, and Kubernetes native from day one, right? Prometheus, it's the default standard. Every operator, every Helm chart exports Prometheus metrics. The limitation, it's only for metrics, right? No native logs, no distributed traces. And beyond a single cluster, you will need like a Thanos or Cortex for high availability and long-term storage. So best for Kubernetes teams, cost-conscious organization, and anyone building a custom observability stack from scratch. Next one is Grafana, which is the phase of your observability stack, right? It connects to like 50 data sources: Prometheus, InfluxDB, CloudWatch, DataDog, Postgres, Elasticsearch, and you name it. And it turns the raw data into dashboard that actually makes sense. The LGTM stack: Loki for logs, Grafana for UI, Tempo for traces, and Mimir for metrics, is like a full OSS observability, right? That's a complete package for platform teams from zero vendor lock-in. 3000 plus community dashboard templates, import just a dashboard for Kubernetes in 30 seconds, right? And you also have like Grafana Cloud, which is a free tier, where you can get free tier. Like it's available till for like 10,000 metrics and 50 gigabytes of logs and 50 gigabytes of traps, completely free. That covers real workload, right? So best for the teams that want flexibility, beautiful dashboard, and open source without limits. So here's the honest breakdown. So if you look at Datadog, it's really expensive, right? Prometheus is free, Grafana is free with solid cloud tier. Setup: Datadog wins 15 minutes, Prometheus takes like an hour or two, Grafana 30 minutes depending upon your backend. Talking about metrics, all three of them cover it. And when you talk about logs, Datadog have natively, Grafana you can have it using Loki, Prometheus cannot, it only have metrics, right? For a traces in APM, Datadog yes have it natively, Grafana via Tempo, Prometheus it cannot. When you talk about managed services, Datadog, yes, it's a completely SaaS version, completely managed, but Prometheus and Grafana, Prometheus, yes, you have to be doing completely self-hosted. Grafana, you still have an option for cloud-based solution. For Kubernetes native, yes, all three works, but Prometheus is the default standard. And free tier, Prometheus always, Grafana, you can have on-prem, which is free tier as well, but you have like Grafana Cloud generously, Datadog never. It's completely cost based and it's expensive as well. So picking your stack, right? So the guide for you taking your decision. Here's the cheat sheet. So on Kubernetes and cloud, cost sensitive, if your team is doing those, and if you want to get into a solution, Prometheus plus Grafana. It is an industry standard open source stack, and most mature teams run it, right? Need logs, traces, metrics all in one place. Datadog is the option because you don't have easy solution to get everything, but you are paying for the simplicity and speed. Startup with light budget, Grafana Cloud free tier, zero cost, zero infrastructure to manage. If it's like enterprise with compliance and security requirement, Datadog Enterprise, go for it. You can have audit trial and RBAC are worth it. Already running with Prometheus and want better dashboard, at Grafana, it's free. Take 30 minutes and your dashboard will look 100x better, right? And the reality check is most production teams end up using Prometheus plus Grafana for infrastructure metrics. But if you want more than metrics like logs, APMs, then they end up with Datadog. So just to show you like the patterns, right? The architecture wise, the real production will look like. The OSS stack would be like Prometheus, Grafana, Loki, Tempo, full observability, zero cost, right? And it's best for Kubernetes teams. Whereas in enterprise way, you have Datadog all in one. Very simple. You install the agents. You have full AI power insights, one dashboard. But when budget is in the constraint for you. And for startup stack, Grafana Cloud, free tier, no infrastructure to run, and no ops burden, right? Best for early stage products, under few services. So super cool. So the bottom line or the truth is like, for K8s teams on the budget, you have battle tested Prometheus. And again, it's a repetition, right? Like APM and security go for Datadog, starting with cloud, Grafana free trial. It's for most production reality, most teams end up, have a combination of multiple things, because if you're only with metrics, you can go easily, but if you have logs and you know security stuff, then you end up with sometime combination of this. So I want to hear from you. What's your monitoring stack, and or what are you running currently, or if you are going to set up something, are you going to use Datadog, Prometheus, or Grafana? Something else entirely, drop it in my comments. I read all the comments. And if this video has saved you some hours of research, or if you like this video, smash the like button, click on the subscribe for more DevOps content, and this helps me to reach my videos for more viewers, right? So I'm looking forward to see you in the next one. Let me have bringing up to you for more videos on like Prometheus, Grafana, different stack on Kubernetes in setting up these things. So looking forward to see you in the next one. See you there.